Good morning, Jackson.
Good morning, guys. Hi. I thought I'd bring you along with me today for a little day in the life vlog. I've been so incredibly busy. I haven't had a lot of time to create really good content for you, so I figured instead of not having a video for this Sunday, we'd just do a little vlog style, taking it back old school. You can just spend the day with me if you want. So we got a lot going on today. I'm currently at the farm. We have to go across the river to one of my Airbnbs. I just got a new cleaning crew. I'm going to tell you about something that I found. Hopefully, this will be like the answer to my prayers. I have had such a hard time finding good cleaners to help me out at my Airbnbs. My day started pretty early this morning. I woke up at like 4 o'clock this morning with an idea for a design for a bathroom and a closet. Let me show you. So this is my 4 a.m. sketch for the bathroom and for the closet area. I will sketch this up in more like understandable way and I'll show you, but I think this is if I ever build like a custom home, this is how I want my bathroom, like the master bath and the master his and hers walk-in closet to be. So I'm going to show you that too. So we got to get going. Let's head over to that other property, and then we do have to go to my client's house. He has some water damage in the basement. I'm going to show you how you deal with water damage and what kind of the process is if you happen to have water damage. And then I also kind of want to talk to you a little bit about something that I have been working on for a long time and I'm really excited about. I'll give you a little hint.
How are you so cute? All right, I'll be back in a little while. I will be, I promise.
I need some coffee. This place is called Ready Coffee, and it is so cute. Like, these little buildings are so tiny, and they're usually in parking areas. I think this is a local thing, like a Hudson Valley thing. But the coffee is so good. I think I might get a Storm King. So freaking delicious. My God, I love that place. All right, so let me tell you about this cleaning app that I found. I'm not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with this company at all. I just found it on Google like 2 days ago. So it's called Turnover B&B, and they connect cleaners with Airbnb hosts. And the cleaners, like, they have background checks, they have insurance, they're familiar with like staging Airbnbs, and it feels like it's going to be like the answer to my prayers, because what you do is you import your Airbnb calendar into the Turnover B&B calendar, and then it like automatically schedules your cleaners, and then you can set a primary cleaner and then backup cleaners. I don't know, I'm really excited about it. If this works, this is going to be a godsend, because I am tired of scrubbing toilets every day. Like, I'm tired of it. I don't want to do it anymore. So I'm gonna go over to the house and meet them, get them set up, kind of give them a walkthrough and show them where everything is. And I'm not gonna film any of this because that would be weird. But we'll film it after they're done cleaning. So I'm gonna go get them set up. I'm gonna leave and go to my client's house, and then we'll go back and we'll check it out and make sure everything is perfect. Perfect. Why did I say it like that? Perfect. Okay. I just met the cleaners, you guys. I'm so excited. I think this is actually gonna work out. They are so freaking nice. They are so nice, and they know what they're doing. I think I might have just discovered like the thing that's going to like save my life. I'm so excited. We're gonna go back over to that house, and I'm gonna check out later to make sure it's all good. But first impressions, I'm really excited. But we are here at my client's house. We're gonna go in and talk mold and storm doors. Okay, let's go. All right, here is the culprit of the leak. So this pipe went up and out to the outside, and it was originally a hose bib. But it was just like leaking into the wall, into down there and under there. We're gonna put this back in there for now to keep any mice or snakes out until I can get some spray foam. But this has been leaking in this wall for quite some time, and it's leaking under the floor. So what to do when you have a leak like this? I will tell you. So if you find yourself in the unfortunate situation where you have water damage or you have a leak and you need to have mold remediation done, there's a few steps that you need to take. First, you need to find a mold inspector. Usually you can find a list of them from a local mold remediator company, and you're gonna call the mold inspectors to see when they can come out, see what their fee is. Now, once you get a hold of an inspector, they're gonna come out, they're going to assess what needs to be taken care of, and they're going to write you a protocol of all of the things that need to be remediated. Now, with that protocol, you take that to a mold remediation company, and then the mold remediation company takes out everything and remediates the mold that the inspector has found. Now, once the mold is gone, you get the inspector to come back out and do a clearance test to make sure you don't have any more mold and to make sure that the remediation company got all of the mold out. So after you have your clearance test and your space is approved and it's mold free, then you can install new sheetrock, new baseboards, all that kind of stuff. And now sometimes you can go with the mold remediation company, they will do the repairs, or sometimes you might want to go with like a handyman type of person because they'll probably be a little bit cheaper to do the repairs than the mold remediation people. So it's a lot of steps, it's a lot of different people, but mold is not good for you to breathe in, especially if you have children or pets. I mean, it's not good for adults, but especially if you have little ones at home, you definitely can't have any mold in the home. I know it's a process and it's pretty expensive, but you gotta get it taken care of. And definitely check with your homeowner's insurance policy because you might have like a rider or an endorsement on there that will cover sudden leaks, and it might cover all of your remediation costs. All right, now we got the mold talk out of the way. Let's go take a picture of this door so we can get a quote from a storm door company. So exterior doors are supposed to open out. So when they close, they can have weather stripping on the bottom. But this is an exterior door that opens in. So any sort of rainwater that comes down the side of the house or hits this door is going right to the bottom and going right underneath this door. There is a little bit of weather stripping there, but it's definitely not enough to keep a hard, heavy rain of water out. So my solution is we're gonna get a storm door for here that will keep all of the water, hopefully, out. If you do happen to have an exterior door that opens in and you are having water issues with water running in under the door, or sometimes doors aren't super flush, water can get in between this weather stripping right here and go right on inside. So if you are having this sort of issue, you can get a storm door, which is like a glass door that goes on the outside that opens out, and it will keep all of the rain and snow out from going inside. If you do have a door or window that lets water in, you can always cover it with a piece of visqueen, like this thick plastic, to make sure that no rainwater can even actually hit the door. I'm not sure if I've shown you guys this place before, but it gets weirder and weirder every day. How pretty these dahlias are. Oh my goodness. I love dahlias. Let me show you real quick the design that I dreamt of this morning. Okay, so this is the master bath. The master bedroom will be kind of behind these French doors. So first of all, we will have gridded glass French doors. This is going to be a toilet in its own room by itself, so there would be a door here. This is going to be a linen closet with backlit glass doors and drawers, kind of like this inspiration picture right here. So you can put all of your towels and stuff, pretty stuff up top, and then in the big drawers you can have extra linen. So this is going to be a double walk-in shower with multiple shower head options. So like a rain shower on top, and then maybe like jets coming out from the side. And here is a double soaking tub with kind of mirrored French doors as that lead into the master bedroom. This would lead out into a deck, hopefully overlooking a nice view. And then this way we go into the closet, which I'm going to show you in just a second. But these doors would be kind of like floor to ceiling mirrored doors. So you have like a full length mirror. Hopefully this view would be oriented towards the west. So you'd get really nice sunset views. And then afternoon light would come in, bounce off of the mirrored doors and into the bathroom, and then actually into the master bedroom through these French doors right here. So I'll show you the closet in just a second. But then down we have a his and hers vanity sink with side cabinets that have the glass doors on top, drawers below that mirror the same design as this linen closet over here. And then a little like bench chair that can tuck underneath for a like vanity seating. So this is my dream bathroom that I dreamt of this morning at like 4 a.m. And then this is my dream closet. So we have full wraparound closet system all the way around. So his and hers. In the middle, we have a kind of like a dressing island with a clean tabletop, drawers all the way around for socks, underwear, ties, and little drawers on top for jewelry and cufflinks and stuff like that. Of course, a little his and hers chaise lounge moment. And then my favorite thing is a washer and dryer in the closet. So there will be a laundry room somewhere else in the house, but to have a secondary washer and dryer inside the closet, holy cow. Yes. So if you are interested in this design, or if you take inspiration from it and you're building a custom home, feel free to pause the video and screenshot this and send it to your architect. All right, I made all my calls, got all my notes, and I think I've narrowed it down to 2 different mold inspectors. Everybody else has been emailed. We're good to go. All right, let's go over to the property and we'll see how these cleaners did. It looks so good. It smells so clean in here. The true test is how do the beds look. Oh, beds look good. Beds look really good. Bathroom is clean. Rugs are clean. All right. I think they did a fantastic job. Let's look at the kitchen. Oh, hi. Kitchen looks good and clean. Oh, the windows are open. Yes. Okay. Yay, they emptied it out. They refilled the coffee. Oh, I'm so excited. Good to go. Look at that guy. Hi. All right, we are back at the farm. I am super duper thrilled with the cleaning over at the little cottage house. The cleaners did such a good job. They were so easy to communicate with. They are awesome people, so I am thrilled to have found them through this app. I am still kind of receiving bids for a couple of the other Airbnbs. That's kind of like a whole nother monster, so I'm trying to figure those out. So with the other rental properties, I don't have a cleaner set up just yet. I kind of wanted to see how today went before I really set up the other properties through the turnover B&B thing. But it went really great. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go through with it and set up the other properties through the turnover B&B because it kind of seems like it's going to work. But I do have a check-in tomorrow and it's not clean. So it's, what time is it? 7:30 right now. I got to go over and get that other property cleaned tonight. I'm not thrilled about that. I mean, I don't have to get it all done tonight. If I can get the laundry done, the towels done, the beds remade, and the bathroom started, then I can finish up tomorrow. I can just like wipe all the surfaces and deep clean the bathrooms and the kitchen and vacuum and mop and finish all of it out tomorrow. But if I can get like a lot of it done tonight, then I'll be in a good position for tomorrow. Tomorrow I actually have to go to the mold house and meet with the mold inspector at 11:30. So that's kind of why I need to go over to the other place tonight and start cleaning. So tomorrow during the day I have time to meet with the mold inspector. So the one thing I kind of wanted to share with you a little bit about, I can't like fully share it yet because it's not done yet, but this is, okay, here's a hint. If you watched Vlogmas last year, I talked about it, about this idea that I wanted to do that I was excited about. Well, I'm doing it. So there's your hint. There's your hint. And I will have like a big announcement video in a couple weeks. I'm trying to get this done by like the beginning of October. Oh boy, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys like this because I've spent a lot of time working on this. So big announcement coming in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I don't know if you guys like these type of videos, but I didn't want to leave you hanging because I've been leaving y'all hanging for quite a while. So I hope this was informational, informative, maybe relaxing, maybe inspiring, maybe completely, totally boring. I don't know. Let me know if you liked it in the comments below. And if you made it this far and you are not subscribed, you should probably subscribe, because if you've watched this whole video, then I think you might like some of my other videos. Maybe. If not, if you don't like this video, don't tell me, because you'll hurt my feelings. All right, well, I'm gonna bid you some deuces and pop over to the other rental and clean it. All right, I love you. Bye.